Whenever I see girls and boys singing lantern on the streets, I remember the child in a manger as he sleeps. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let Him the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Every prayer and every song, the community unites.